Sustainable buildings are critical to a future that is socially just, ecologically restorative, culturally rich, and economically viable. Despite over a decade of strategies and programs, progress on built environment sustainability fails to address these key issues. Consequently, the built environment sector needs to adopt net positive, regenerative sustainability thinking. The Restore project advocates, mentors and influences for this vision through working groups, training schools, events and short-term scientific missions. The aim of Restore is for buildings to have a positive, regenerative environmental impact. They should do more good instead of less bad. Restore's workflow is centred on analysis, increasing awareness, mentoring and dissemination. This method is conducted across 5 working groups. 1. Restorative sustainability. 2. Restorative design process. 3. Restorative buildings and operations. 4. Rethinking technology. And 5. Scale jumping. Restore fosters collaboration and knowledge sharing in Europe and beyond to grow ideas and advance questions in its specific field of investigation. Restore's wide network encompasses over 160 participants from 40 countries and around 100 organisations. Its multidisciplinary approach covers over 40 different expertise, including sustainable design, green buildings and urban planning. Restore aims to become the first carbon-neutral EU-funded project and has delivered various outcomes including booklets, training schools, articles and conferences.